Java, a high-level multi-paradigm programming language famous for its ability to compile to a platform-independent bytecode. In this video, I will show you how you can download and install Java JDK onto your MacBook with the Apple Silicon. So before installing Java JDK, to check if Java JDK has been already installed into your system or not, just open terminal. So let me just open the Spotlight search and search for terminal and just type Java version, and if it shows something like unable to locate Java runtime, so it means Java JDK hasn't been installed into your system. So now to download, just open your favorite browser and search for download Java JDK and just go to this first link from oracle.com. And at the time of recording this video, Java 18 is the latest version and Java 17 is the long-term support. So it's always better to download the long-term support, so which will be receiving the update until 2024. So let me just go with Java 17 and just click on Mac OS, and here you can see the ARM64 DMG installer. So let me just click here to download the DMG file for installing the Java JDK. So once this DMG file is downloaded, let me just go in Finder and let me just double click to install. So let me again double click on this JDK package. So this has opened the welcome page. Let me just click on continue. Just press on install and enter the password of your Mac. So let me just click on close and move to the trash. So now if I just press on command and T to open the new tab and just type Java version, so you can see the Java 17 has been installed successfully. So now to write the first Java program, so let me just go into the Google Chrome again and search for Jetbrains toolbox. So let me just click on that and you can see the first link from jetbrains.com. so just go with that, and we just want to download for Apple Silicon. So if you are using the Intel version of Mac, so you can just go with Intel. So since I am using the Macbook M1, so I will go with the Mac OS Apple Silicon. So let me just click on that. So this will automatically start downloading the DMG file for installing the Jetbrains toolbox. So once this DMG file is downloaded, let me just go into the Finder and let me just double click to install this Jetbrains. So let me just drag and drop into the applications, and let me just close this one from here and go into the launchpad and search for Jetbrains toolbox. Just click on open, just press on continue. So let me just accept the license agreement. So I will be using the dark theme. Just click on get started. So here you can see all the tools available in Jetbrains. So let me just go with IntelliJ Community Edition. So just click on that, install. So this will start downloading this Jetbrains Community Edition. So once this is installed, so let me just click on this tool to open IntelliJ IDEA and to create the new project. So you can see the welcome page here. So let me just click on new project and let me just give the name demo, or you can give any name. So demo project, and you can just choose the location here, and this will automatically detect the Java JDK which we have installed. So we have just installed the 17 version. So you can just see the detected SDK. Just click on that and let me just click on create. So this will create the new Java project, and here you can see the project, and inside here in the source folder, so let me just right click here and click on new, click on Java project. Let me call it hello world. So this will create the Java class with name hello world, and inside here I just want to write something like main. So this will automatically generate the public static void main, and just type s out. So it will create system.out.println. So inside here I just want to write hello world, and if I just right click here and just click on this run hello world.main, so you can see the output here. So this is how you install Java JDK onto your MacBook M1 and also install IntelliJ to create your first Java project. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one.